Welcome to another episode of Exotic Industries. I will now try making more of these burner assemblers, possibly. But I'm also thinking about whether that's a good choice to make more of those, because the steam assemblers can already be made and are twice as fast. So that's something to keep in mind. I'll just keep it in mind now and just continue with making these iron plates, because I really need them as a prerequisite for a lot of other things. So that's the coal already, and then there will be these iron plates coming out. And I also need to insert coal in there, which doesn't happen yet. I think that's not covered by my design idea yet, but it will be. Well, there's also coal coming from this side. I might just combine this to have more coverage, basically. If one of these lines runs out prematurely for some reason, then there will still be coal left on the other line. And I didn't yet put any of the inserters in a chest. I think I will do that just now. Of course I need inserters to put inserters in a chest. Probably 2 stacks should be enough for now. And I don't really need the inserters on the belt anyway, so they are just sitting there waiting to be picked up at some point, and I might not want to pick them up just because always a bit annoying to have to run around on a belt and trying to pick up the right thing and not a lot of trash. So now we have doubled the iron plate production. This inserter would like more coal. I think the coal is almost running out again. There's another coal patch in the north. It's 6 times as big almost. So maybe I should consider moving there. I have to check. So there's no steam mining drill. There's only the electric mining drill. Up till then, I have to work with these kinds of miners. And I guess I will work with these kinds of miners, since there's no other option just yet. I have to see whether I'm producing these burner mining drills already. If not, then I will just do that. And also, I should have just looked. The electric mining drills don't take burner mining drills as a prerequisite. But they are used in a stone quarry at least. Stone quarry is used in the electric stone quarry, so there is a use case for making burner mining drills. I might just put them on the opposite side of this. And also right here I have to deal with the coal. Now I have to see whether more pipes have been produced or any pipes. I think at least some iron plates are now arriving and getting into the pipe factory. For some reason, these two machines don't have any coal connection yet. Okay, this inserter obviously not. I just put it there. But also the entire machine needs to be fueled. That can happen this way. So the burner mining drill also requires these iron plates, but I think they will arrive there at some point. I almost would have thought that I had automated that yet, but I didn't. So I will just do that. Probably I might do it up here instead of going down. So furnaces also need to go there. I'll just filter for furnaces, stone furnaces. I have to see where I can introduce that exactly. So these burner mining drills take 2 seconds to be crafted. Now my inserter setup, as always. This is something I came up with just now. I need to figure out how to exactly insert the furnaces. But I have an idea. Probably just like that. Just need to get rid of some coal there. And then the connection should be made. Now I just need to put out the burner mining drills again. And now I guess they could go on the other side of the boilers. Don't think there's anything that I planned for that yet. There are no different kinds of containers researched. Also these display plates. Not sure if I really need them or if they are just decorative. I have now unlocked some recipes for steel and glass. Stone can be crushed into sand, that's good to know. Anyway, I need to make some of these underground belts. And I also need to get a lot of the mechanical parts. Make more of those. So I really should automate that at some point. So I don't have to pick up a lot of mechanical parts to make some of those underground belts. There are some miners coming. I can now put these miners to use up there. Hope I have enough inserters and belts. At least the miners are enough. I think I might lack a few inserters. I might just make them manually. Need to put in the first coal there. And then the rest should work at some point. Might even increase the amount of miners there later. And also, this mine up there is not defended anymore. So, if the pollution spreads too far, then the biters will know where to attack. Or maybe they will still attack somewhere else and then be killed. But I think they might just attack the closest thing. So if they are up there, then they will probably go for the coal mine first. But I'm not entirely sure how biters work. This might need some coal. I might want to have some more splitters. Coal hasn't arrived yet from above. Those seem to be the first coal parts that actually make it through, that don't get used up by the inserters or the mining drills. I might now actually look at the boiler factory again. Didn't make any boilers yet. I still need more pipes. And somehow I think I might need more. I don't really want to make more burner assemblers just now. I might directly go into the steam age in that regard. And just craft some of the things myself. It will take some time to craft that. But at least then I can produce iron plates quicker, which is currently holding up everything. And I created the first boiler. That's an achievement, apparently. Did I make two at once or in quick succession? Probably. Now I will go to the lake in the lower left there. And there I would make some steam. That's an iron patch to be dealt with later. So one of these offshore pumps can work there. And then a boiler or two maybe. They can consume the coal. Possibly with all four of these burner inserters. And then I just need a lot of pipes. And I might just make iron plate factories around here, quite close to where the steam originates at first, to get more pipes going, since they are really necessary at the moment. I might just steal some pipes there. And inserters. Make some more underground pipes. I think I don't have any yet. I probably didn't build any pipe anywhere yet. But they will be necessary very soon. Also, I could make some steam inserters. Could build them on the fly. Steam inserter is also an achievement. I'll have to check soon how big the pollution is from these boilers. The underground pipes are quite long, that's good. Lots of handcrafting to be done. Let's see how this can work. Really not sure anymore how I made this in Industrial Revolution. There they also had all the steam-powered machines. Of course I shouldn't insert any coal there, not just now. I rather need something else. I need to set this recipe, yes. At least they can get the steam through. I don't have to get steam into every machine separately. Now I just need to provide the iron ingots. Oh, this inserter is done. Or it has no energy anymore. I can fix that by inserting coal with another inserter. Can also work as a manual assembler or inserter and insert things myself. So from there I can take the pure iron ingot line and basically feed the steam assemblers with that. I think that's not yet connected. Now it is connected. Now it's not connected anymore, but there's steam inside. How long does this take? 1 second. So I have to provide both sides. That's what I want to do. I need 2 more of those steam inserters and then 2 pipes. The output is ready. The input is now also ready. I think it's not worth having 2 inserters for every machine. I'll just do it like this now. I might even continue and add more of these machines to make even more iron plates. And very soon I might just demolish these machines and fully let the steam age take over. The pollution did increase, and in the last 9 or so minutes the trees were damaged again after I guess an hour or so where they were not damaged. So that's a sad story for those trees. I need more pipes. And I need to set the recipe there. I might just do this. And put the iron ingots in there. And I think for now that's it for this episode. I seem to have enough iron plates now coming to these pipes. I hope I can continue this trend in the next episodes. Thank you for watching.